Alright, Jeff from RV Diagnostics up on top of the roof of his RV, or our RV, Laura and I, RV. It's a 99 Beaver Patriot. Some time ago, the Wingard antenna was giving us problems, so I found out what it was. I guess my grandson helped me a little bit too much. He put some caulking up here and actually put it all the way around the base. I'll show you, but I cleaned it up and I had to lube it, and I'm going to show you some finer points. This is the one you screw from inside, right? Well, that wasn't spinning that easy. Alright, now if you see it, it has a little plug hole here. That's where you oil it. Okay, so I'm going to plug it up. I already oiled it, but I use this silicone lubricant. I do not get it down on the paint or anywhere else. You can see kind of where he had it all the way up here. It was a good job, Aaron. All right, now it's doing really good. Look at that, just spinning really easy. So the other one is, let's say this gear goes bad on this dual arm. I already did a video on that digital head I put on. All right, see that arm comes out right there, and if you see it, it's got a little concave in the gear. She's looking pretty good. We look at everything when we do it. I don't see a part number on it. Let me see here. Nah, but I got one somewhere, you know. This one's doing pretty good. Now, it goes in, the slot right here. See the slot in the arm? All right, that goes right there like that. Okay, calm it darn liar here. All right, hold on. There you go. Okay, so line these up. Now, these two pins go through these holes right here. This one and this one. And they have an E-clip on them. I'm going to clean them up, lubricate them. But, you know, of course, what happened? One of them E-clips broke, so I got to get my lazy butt off this roof and do it again. Alright, so what came out of here? Well, this plug was in there holding this gear rod, hex rod. So this is what the handle turns. If you can see it right there, there's the set screw on the handle that tightens up. So we drop that down in there and they go, oh yeah, looky, and yay, and all that good stuff. So the question is right here, this has to be lubricated. So I'll put you on pause and lubricate it. Alright, so you put this gear in, drop it in here. Alright, when it goes up, like you see it moving. Alright. You gotta line these up. They're a little bit of a bear. You gotta jiggle these arms. Now, what holds this down is this nut here. Okay. And I'm gonna put a little bit of lube in that, right? And put that down in there. Okay. That's pretty much it. I gotta get some more E-clips. Remember I showed you they broke, and then we'll go inside. Well, I've decided to make this a two-part video because I'll probably put this phone in my pocket, try to get off top of this my diesel pusher here. I don't bounce too good at 65. So that's it right there. Got the final nut in. I lubricated it. Don't forget there's these two pins here. I need to E-clips. Oh, damn, I just had one. All right, I know where they're at. So, and don't forget to go over there, right? Don't forget about that little hole right there. That's got a plastic plug in it. You want to make sure that's sealed. That's where you lubricate it, okay? You put a little lube on here, right? That's that plastic gear. I'll probably order one. I might have one in stock. I don't know. Let's see. There's the E-clip. I'm going to put that in my pocket. So there's going to be a two-part video. I'm going inside. I'm up on the ceiling if you want to see. All right, so there you go. Not much room. Here's top of there. Yeah, it's 14.8, almost 15 foot right here. All right, so look forward to video 2. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics on Wingard antenna, lubricate and fix. Thank you.